Named after the hard-drinking American author, the Hemingway Daiquiri is only a short departure from the classic daiquiri, and it's a recipe you should definitely have up your sleeve. The Hemingway Daiquiri is one of several classics that employs maraschino as a sweetener. Maraschino is a cherry liqueur originating from the Croatian coast and is made from the pit of the cherry as well as the fruit for a sweet cherry and marzipan character. We find a quarter ounce to be plenty in this cocktail, as maraschino can easily dominate or push the drink out of balance. We'll follow that with half an ounce of a 1-to-1 sugar cane syrup. While the original recipe doesn't include cane, it's really going to round out the texture and balance the citrus in this cocktail. Next, we'll add our primary flavor component, which is freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. We find that half an ounce is the perfect amount to communicate the bright sweetness of the grapefruit without the drink being too juicy. Additionally, we're going to boost the grapefruit profile by shaking this cocktail with a large swath of bitter and aromatic grapefruit peel. Next, we'll add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice to give this daiquiri that signature pop of acid. When it comes to base spirit, a lightly aged Spanish-style rum is what Hemingway would have been drinking while pounding daiquiris at El Floridita in Havana. For that reason, Havana Club is an obvious choice. We recommend a 1.5 ounce pour in this daiquiri. Hemingway would have likely preferred this drink with twice that amount of booze, but I think it's safe to say he was prioritizing a stiff cocktail over a balanced one. So let's give this cocktail a hard shake for about 8 seconds. When we shake, we're chilling and diluting, but also shaking in a way that's whipping air into the liquid for a frothy cocktail. Once you feel your ice is starting to break down and your tin is frosting over, you should be in a good spot. At this point, we can grab our cocktail glass, which has been chilling in the freezer. A frothy texture is key, so let's give this daiquiri a lively double straining to remove any ice chips and introduce additional aeration. Finally, let's grab one more grapefruit peel and express the aromatic oils over the top of this drink. Give it a twist and drop it in. And that's your Hemingway Daiquiri. Cheers.